Hi, Kathy here from Kathy's Cute Creations with my daughter Sherry, and we are going to unbox the Creative Notions box.
Hi, how's everybody today? Let me say hello.
I'm so excited to see the box.
Well, then open it up.
Okay. Alrighty. Blue pink paper. Let me put this down here. What do we... Oh, look at that fabric. Oh my gosh.
I know, it's so pretty.
I know. We'll show it in a minute. Set aside. Oh. All right. So I'm not quite sure. Let's try to find. Well, I'm at
Dibs.
Let's find the. Let's find the label so I know what that is, because I don't have any clue what that is.
I know what that is.
Okay, what is it?
Oh no, I was just kidding. I have no
I bet
idea. This.
Okay.
It's a looky-loo see-through.
You're funny. All right, set that box aside. Just temporarily get it out of the way. All right, here we have this description, and it's called Buzzworthy.
Pink.
I know.
What is this? Tissue paper?
Yeah, tissue paper.
It's pretty.
Okay, so let's find out, what is this? What is that? That is...
It's a looky-loo see-through.
It's a template. Oh, it's template.
No.
2 pieces?
Yeah, there's 2 pieces in here.
Yep, it's template plastic. Oh my gosh, I've never even seen anything like that before.
You know, I'll bet in those directions and instructions, it'll tell you what to use this for.
That's not what I'm talking about. I mean, I've never seen that product before. Yeah. Okay, here we go. Mention what that is. You know who that... Is it 2 sheets there?
Mm-mm.
There's not 2 sheets?
Mm-mm. I lied. There's only 1. I'm sorry.
Okay. Well, it has a 2 on it. So it might be, maybe it's $2. That could be it.
Where's it at? And I'll
Right
try
here.
to...
I'm thinking the dollar value, don't you think? That's how much it was, $1? $2?
Because I don't think you have 8 fat quarters, 25 of them. So yeah, I'm guessing it was $2.
Okay.
Template plastic, just 1, not 2, just
All right,
1.
you can do that because you wanted to do it.
Dibs! Okay, these are straight pins. This is the exciting part. They have unicorn heads on them. Look at that.
Do you see who makes those? Right here.
No,
Oh,
I
you
can't
got
read that.
eye-
I'm sorry.
Okay, it's Tula Pink. Okay.
Okay,
I didn't
because
think you could with your
I didn't
eye
bring my
problem.
glasses up
That's
here.
That's all right. That's okay. That's okay.
All right.
Oh,
so
look at this. And
tulip. Wasn't down.
Okay.
I'm sorry. Tulip.
this might be a whole 10 minutes just on these pens.
Tula Pink hardware. There's 30 of them in here. Oh, that is awesome. They're 2-inch stainless steel.
They're adorable, aren't they?
Okay,
I
I'm
need to use
done.
them.
Go ahead. But oh my God.
And now we have a pink rotary cutter. Because
saw that
these
too,
normally come orange, because I have an orange one. I have a blue one that I use, which I hate. It's a cheapie. I don't even know where I bought it, but it's...
She gave it to me.
No, I didn't give it to you.
I have a blue one. I acquired a blue one. Yes, I did.
Oh.
I don't use it either because I don't like it, so
What's
I
the
don't
name
use a
brand?
rotary cutter. I don't have the paperwork on it. I just...
Oh, okay. No. I believe I have a blue one in a case, and I
It's probably a
always
no name.
use it for paper cutting. But I hate it because when you push down on this thing, I mean, it's got a little lever on it, and the lever doesn't work. So that's what I hate about this. But this is a totally different one. See?
I see. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So we'll have to check that one out.
Sure. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Sure. Okay. All right. Show the goodies.
Want the pins?
So we have some
And then we got
goodies.
some sweet and salty mix.
Oh,
Cars.
Looks like M&M's, peanuts. Is it raisins in there?
I don't think it's supposed to be M&M's. I think it's like candy-coated chocolate pieces is what.
Oh. You said Mars? Did you say Mars?
I said Cars. K-A-R-S.
Oh, Cars. Okay, I'm sorry.
Oh.
I said Mars.
It's probably wherever she's from. This is probably their brand. Kind of like Kroger or, you know.
But I like they would actually put gluten-free on the top.
Well,
Oh,
a lot
there
of
you
people
go.
are allergic to gluten. Yeah.
Cocoa candies.
So it's peanuts, cocoa candies, which...
Uh-huh.
Raisins, which
Yeah.
you just love, and sunflower
sunglasses.
kernels.
Everything.
It's just a
I'll
little,
just pick
little
out
snack
the raisins.
bag.
Yeah.
Again.
Okay.
That's
and
nice.
so now we have. Let's go with the ruler next, because everybody likes to see the ruler. This is beautiful.
I like the ruler.
I know.
It's not pink, but I like the
It doesn't
ruler.
need to be pink. There we go. And there's the beautiful ruler. Oh my gosh, how big is that? 10.5-inch square.
I'm so glad you didn't quiz
can-
me on it, because I would say,
You can.
it's a big,
and
big
because
square.
it's see-through, you can use that for fussy cutting too. All the see-through.
Here's the best part. You can't see it because she needs to get the camper. I just love that camper. You want
All
to put it back in the bag or no?
No, you don't need to put it back in. All right, so now we have, let's see. Let's open up this because I can't. Here's from our good friend Angela.
Oh, there's a couple of them there. That's folded, and this is
Well, let's open it up so we can.
They're the same, right? They look the same. So
Well, maybe we got two of them.
I don't know.
I think we did get two by accident, but that's okay. That's all right. So here we go.
One for
Thank
you,
you.
one for me.
Thank you, Angela. That's a cute little square. It's a cute little, I think it's an apple.
Yes, on school books.
On the books for the teacher. Yep, apple block. Mm-hmm. Yep, wonderful, wonderful. Oh, and a Quillo. Oh my gosh, really? And that's the rail fence, that design.
That's a Quillo.
What is a Quillo?
Yes,
You
because you're
make
excited
your-
about it. And I know
Okay,
what
so
it is.
you make your quilt, and on the corner, there'll be a little square, and it's a pillow, and you put it in there. So it looks like a pillow on your couch, but when you're ready to take a nap, you pull the quilt out of the pillow. A pillow, yes.
Oh, wow.
I guess that's new to you.
So
And I hear
fancy.
they got this one on the center, but I've seen them in the corners and everything. Here's where it'll be right here for your pillow. That's pretty neat. Now, kids love that. And then we have the Jewel Sampler Quilt, Folded Corners, Block of the Month.
What is she trying to say? Is she trying to say I'm a kid?
No. And we have the Monkey Wrench Block of the Month. You are so funny. And then, for the fabric.
Oh.
Yes. Okay, so we have
I like it.
a couple different things here. So one is Apple Table Runner and Drawstring Backpack Idea. So there's what that looks like.
Oh, drawstring backpack.
Yep.
I like those. I have one.
And then there's a hexagon
Alright, two.
throw. So that's what this is. And the hexagon is on the back, right there for you. And then that's when you're going to be using this here, because that's how you're going to make your template. Okay?
Oh, now I
Yes.
get it.
Uh-huh.
You have to make your template.
Yes, you do.
Oh.
Okay, and then
Yeah.
we have,
I'm not
The
confident
fabric.
in that.
so we have gingham, which is the yellow and white, which is really, really pretty. And then Sherry is going to show the fabric bundle, which are the fat quarters.
Yay! Can I take it out? Because I've already
Yes,
Oh,
always.
good. Whew.
We don't
So
need to keep
already
that. I don't care
untied it.
that doesn't wrap back up perfectly.
Okay, good.
Oh, God,
I love
fabric's
that
gorgeous.
fabric.
Yes.
Oh my gosh. I can't say dibs on it because it's actually making the project. But, here, let me fold it up so I don't have to hold such a big piece. Look
you
at
go.
that.
Got different words.
My
Buzz
upside down,
and honey
yep,
and
honey, and it's got a crown
save
on it.
the- think it says save the bees.
Pure
somewhere.
honey.
Yeah. Be mine.
It says as sweet as honey.
Yeah.
Did you say
somewhere.
save the bees? Are you
Be
sure?
kind. I saw save
Ah,
the bees.
save the bees.
There you go.
Sorry.
I thought I saw it.
Be grateful. Anyway, okay.
Beautiful.
I like this. Gosh, I love this. Look at that. Look at
Those
those.
sparkly on those bees, doesn't it?
I don't know.
I
Hold
think-
on. Let me. Yes, it is.
Oh yes. I covered my mouth.
Oh. Okay. Can you
Oh,
see that?
yeah.
Can you see the shine
Oh
on it?
yeah, right there. When you did that, I
Like
could
this?
see it.
There
Oh
it is.
yes. Oh my gosh.
Makes them look fuzzy. You know, like,
Mhm.
rubies.
It's all got that little. There's another set that's got the.
And it's got a crown on it. I'm just going to keep it unfolded, heck.
Okay.
It's just, look at
You
that.
could open it if you wanted to. Look.
Okay.
There you go. That's a lot more showing.
Wow, look
There
at
you
that.
go. Yeah. Look at that.
Now I feel I need to open the other ones because maybe we're missing some stuff in it. Yay, nay.
It's up to you. You're showing the
Well,
fabric. if you wanna
this
open it.
is all the same. So, well, no,
It's all
that's
the bees.
something different right there. But anyway, so it has bees on it. This had all the words on it.
Yep.
See,
Excuse
look
me.
at that.
I was gonna say I had jet lag. Actually, I have sleepy.
Were you
head
on
here
a
from-
plane?
From the jelly roll last night, I'm tired already. I definitely didn't get enough sleep. No, but that's okay. Hey, I had fun doing that jelly roll.
Here's-
And I'm gonna have fun making my projects with it.
Honeycomb.
That's pretty.
That is gorgeous too. I like that. All right. I don't know why she's fussing over there.
She just whined a little bit. I don't know.
I kept looking at her. I kept hearing
That's
her.
pretty too.
These have flowers. There's sunflowers
Yes.
or daisies. Or, no, not daisies are white. So these are yellow. But look at that. And they got the bees on the flowers. I do not know my flowers, so sorry. There we go.
Well, you can identify it as a flower. That's one thing.
Well, yes, but I meant is
Hey,
it a
some
daisy?
people can't identify it as a flower, so give yourself some credit. What's this here?
No, that's why I got to open it up. This is a design. It's very nice. I like that. Look at that. And it also has bees on it.
Uh-huh. Sure does.
I'll just back it up a little bit so you can see it's all over. I like it.
Oh, goodness. Sorry.
Wow, am I boring you with a fabric display?
I
Oh,
think
this
I'm
looks
gonna
very
have a nap in my
delicate.
day-to-day. That's
Look at
pretty
that. It's
too.
yellow. It's got the bees in the...
Yes.
Now, those are daisies.
Those are pretty.
No. No, those aren't daisies because daisies aren't white. They're yellow. Because in an episode of... Okay, we're not going to say because I don't know if you can. I don't know if I'm allowed. Can I?
I don't see why not.
Okay, it's an episode of Gilmore Girls. I think it was season 1, the last episode, where Max proposed with 1,000 yellow daisies, and she gave one to the town. So the daisies are yellow. And anyway, there was
daisies can be white or yellow.
Okay, well maybe they're white daisies. Okay. Oh,
that's it.
And then, of course, you know the ribbon that went around it to hold it all together.
And
but
we'll
anyway.
put it all out here. So the value of the box was $81.
So I had to show the unicorn pins I got.
Oh, gosh. And the scrap project was from Gina King. Create a New Block was Angela Stoutinger. The recipe, well...
Recipe?
I know, that it always says there's a recipe. I guess we don't get a recipe in the box, because I've never gotten a recipe in the box. So they must be...
Did you look at everything, though?
Uh-huh. So I think it's for the end of the year when they put the recipe book out. She's going to go through all of them.
Of course. You go ahead and read off, and I'll look, and I'll see if I can't find
And then
anything.
Active Guess the Fabric line, which I never can do. That was B. Melanie. She did that. And then the project is from Dawn. I think it's Kaysen is her name. Okay.
No, those are both the same.
That's it.
Nope, that's...
All right, I'll lay it out here so
No
everybody can
recipe.
take a look at everything. And thank you very much, Vicki and her crew. This is a wonderful box. I don't know how you manage to outdo yourself every single month. I don't know how you do it.
I don't know. I'm telling you what, those unicorn pins, that's like over the top right there.
I guess that's all you had to send in the box for Sherry.
Yeah, just send me the pins. I'm great.
The
I'm
pin and
good.
the ruler. She likes the ruler and the pins.
Yep.
I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Alrighty, here we go. Here's everything that was in the box. Thank you, everybody, for watching. I really appreciate it. And again, thank you, Vicki, and all of your crew. I don't know how y'all come up with it every month, but oh my gosh, you do. It's a talent, I tell you. All the creativity. I'll see you guys next time. And this is the October box, in case you're wondering. Okay? Because I know a lot of people question that.